Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Figure this out fast. The graph tells you whether these populations can actually exchange genes, and the key is where each population lives by elevation. Figure 1 shows the two populations living at different elevations. So start by comparing where each one is found instead of jumping straight to species labels or habitat assumptions. Population 1 appears in one elevation range, while population 2 shows up in a different range, and that separation means the groups are not occupying the same physical area. That spatial separation by altitude is geographic isolation, and when populations are geographically isolated, gene flow becomes unlikely, so option D is the best supported claim. Well done. Option D. Scan now. The trap is rushing past the graph signs. Trust the given data and check each step before deciding.